missed it.
Going to Lake Roosevelt to fish with some kokanee and a snowstorm. Diehards. Getting her done. We're just gonna follow these guys for a little while and slow going, but at least they're safe roads. Hey Trent, what are we gonna go do today?
Fishing.
Let's go fishing. Get up. Ready? Let's go catch some fish. All right, here we go. We're out of here this morning. Go to Lake Roosevelt. Go catch some kokanee. Some good kokanee. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna set up to fish. It's a little nasty out, blowing some snow left and right, every which direction. We got here, we're gonna do some fishing though. Persistence pays off, usually. Not saying it's gonna happen this time, but usually it does. I'm Tyler, Casey's Adventures. This is my son Trenton with Casey's Adventures. My son Tyson couldn't be here today, but maybe in the future we'll have him on another video. But anyway, today we're gonna do some kokanee fishing. Got our Dodgers and got our hoochie mamas here. Last time I came out here, I forgot my corn. Did some things wrong. I personally have never really fished this lake. I came out here last weekend, gave it my best, did okay. Caught more rainbows than kokanee. I think our depths were wrong. Also, I think the corn is very key. So we're gonna get to that here in a minute. All right, so we're gonna be using one planer board today. When we fish up in Lake Ponderay, I usually use two. We can stack more rods up there. Today with me and him, we can only have a couple rods. So we're just gonna do this, get away from the boat. Some people use line planers. I just have this available because that's how I fish up north. Anyway, so we'll clip this on. We're gonna send this out probably 75, 80 feet just to get it away from the boat. Then we'll clip our line on there and let our gear out. Okay, let's go ahead and put that out. And then I like this one. This one's that, gosh, I wish I remembered which one this actually is, but this Dodger here looked kind of pretty cool. I like the colors on it. And then I got this pink Hoochie Mama right here. And then what I did was I made up 3 different batches of corn. Well, I made 2. One of these, this is just the basic, no nothing at all, no scent. This one has a kokanee scent. It's a little pink cure right here, or like a kokanee scented attractant. This one right here is my anise. So Lunker Lotion anise. I just put it in there, a little pickly salt. Yeah, watch it. That's good. So we got that. So I'm gonna go with the anise on this one, see how that works. Like I said, this is all kind of experimenting for me. You definitely want to keep your corn cold on ice or in the fridge at home, just because it keeps it firm, keeps it from getting mushy. And I basically add my corn, a couple pieces to each hook here. Man, that anise is really slippery. There we go. This one right here has a 1 ounce weight. Basically, I'm going to try to get down to 10 feet or so. We'll see how this works out. I put it a little bit in front of that Dodger so that it doesn't impede the flow of this Dodger. I also bent my Dodger. These things are tunable, so it's kind of nice. I bent it. I'm going to see how that action works right here. I'm trying to get a bigger flow to my action. So I'll go ahead and put this one out and we'll see what happens. Yeah, I like that. So I'm going to put this out, about 90 feet, 100 feet. Try to get it away from the boat. The boat spooks the kokanee a little bit. So it's just kind of nice to get them away from the boat, and it seems to, the boat scares the kokanee out into your line. I'm gonna grab me a clip.
Okay.
Good. I think I got one on right now.
Yeah?
Just letting it out, yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, you're gonna watch the. Here, you guys reel, okay? You reel that up. Good deal. I gotta steer us here a little bit.
Oh my gosh, dude, we already got a fish? That's crazy. Let's hope it's not a boot.
Bring it here. Let me see it.
Oh my god.
Keep attention. Okay, bring it over here.
Okay.
Bring it over on this side. Keep reeling. I gotta steer for a minute.
Oh yeah, it's a kokanee, Dad, I think. Yeah.
Okay, let me set him. Yeah, look at that bad boy.
Kokanee, boy.
Sweet.
Right away.
So, and check it out, dude. It's a native, or not a native. It's a hatchery. So that's a freebie for us.
Nice. It's a beauty fish.
Yep. So
it sounds
that
like
was
the Angus works a lot better than with like the hooks themselves. Well, we caught our first fish today. So.
All right, on this one here, using the same type of dodger. I'm using I got like a spin and glow on a hoochie mama here. It worked pretty good. I caught a lot of rainbows on this last time I was here. Same kind of dodger. Bent this for a little more action. This one I've got the kokanee scent on it, so we're gonna go ahead and try that one out. Maybe we'll catch one on the way out on this time. The thing about this kokanee gear, sometimes it's a lot of gear. This is a lot less than what we fish with in Sandpoint, though. Look at the fish on there. There you go.
Got a fish just now. Sounds like a big one. I got the net. So that we can get him.
Yeah, it's a fighter.
Yeah, sounds like a big one.
You want to get out on the swim deck and net it for me?
Yeah, sure.
Here, scoot back a little bit, like over here. Yeah, so the camera. I'm just gonna pull it right.
He's a fighter.
Yeah, he is. Super fighter.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
It's a super fighter. This is a good fish right here.
I think we got a fighter right now.
Oh yeah. Little arm pop even.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to reel this thing in.
Yeah, you would.
I mean, I probably would.
Look at that.
Holy cow, dude.
Yeah, that's a good fish. Right there, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm still 56 feet out. Look at that. Yeah, we just want to take it easy because this real light gear we have on right here. This is a big fish.
Yeah, I don't want to lose them.
47. Whoa.
Reeling.
So when you go to net it, try and put the net underneath the water, scoop them out of the water. Don't hit the fish with the, you know what I mean? And get all the way in and scoop the fish up into it. There you go.
Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. That is a huge one. Let's go.
It's a
baby.
fighter for sure.
He's like swimming all around. Come on, buddy.
Nice kokanee. I think.
Come on.
I'll bring him around. Scoop. Oh, 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 scoop it. Turn it around. Turn the net around. Oh, shoot. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
That looks like a kokanee.
Got another gear. Yeah. So.
That looks like a kokanee, Dad.
Yeah.
Beautiful kokanee.
Yeah, this one's got a fin, but we're allowed one with one native. So see
Is that a native?
Yeah, right there.
Nice.
So we're allowed one native per day.
That is a nice fish. Fighter, definitely.
Yeah. Football sizer. Look at that. Boom.
We got tangled up.
Good looking fish.
Alright, Dad. We got tangled up with something or
Yeah.
another pole line. Really tangled up. Yeah, that one's a fighter. He's freaking out. Alright, so we caught our second fish of the day.
Boom.
We thought we weren't doing so good, but as soon as we started talking about that, just a fish hopped on. So we're doing pretty good now. Got two
in there.
two fish in there.
So
Let's hope we get 4 kokanee at least.
nice to get 2 more at least.
Yeah, 2 more.
So fishing got a little slow. It's kind of crazy. We started out really hot. It's like first rod out and freaking caught that one fish. That's it. We're having a hard time going slow enough. It's just my kicker just doesn't want to go down that low, and my big motor's too big to run it. Right now we're running like 1.7, 1.8. But meanwhile, I'm gonna cook me up some brats since the fishing didn't slow down, and hopefully maybe by then they will the fishing will pick up and they'll start biting. So these will be pretty good. I got these ones right here in Leavenworth from the cured shop there. I like them. Those should be good. And then we got some from Costco there. The Kielbasa smoked meats, organic. Those are pretty good too. So gonna throw some on the barbecue and yummy. Some brats, some of those look good. Gonna eat it up. Still waiting for a fish. I got everything out there, man. I got 1 ounce, 1.5 ounce weights. I got a 2 ounce weight out there. Changed up some of our colors, put all new corn on, so we're not running the downrigger anymore. Let's see what happens. All right, so not such a productive day, but hey, it's a day fishing. So it's also a new lake. We've been here twice. Seems like we kind of did the same about both times, but determined to probably figure it out. Probably be my last time here this year, but maybe I'll come back in the summer and try it again. Oh no! Are you kidding me right now? I just got all that on camera too. That's why you hit him in the head. Normally.
Alright, well, I'm going to stick and hit this one in the head.
That's I'm sorry, we only got 2 fish all day today. We just lost the stuff. I don't know where my feeder stick is. hold yours up. Here, hold it right underneath the deal right here.
Alright.
Hold it up to the camera. Here, look at. Let me show you how to hold up a fish and not throw it over the board. So there's a pretty nice kokanee. The other one's well and alive and back out in the lake. So I guess we had a healthy release. Anyway, I'm gonna flay this one up real quick. We'll at least have this one.